Okay guys, so sometime when you are starting your car, there is some noise. I think in good English that means squeezing or squealing, okay, something like that. So sorry about that, my English is not too perfect, it's not too good. I'm still learning English. I speak French, je parle le français, moi je parle pas l'anglais, mais bon, j'apprends l'anglais toujours parce que je vis dans un pays anglais. Ah, sorry. So sometimes it could be the belt. The first thing you need to know, you need to figure it out if is the belt or the alternator. So I'm gonna start the car and we're gonna hear the noise together. So when you this is the noise that you can hear inside. So to cut the noise, just use the blaster or the WT or another fluid. But the car, make sure it's for the car. The blaster is very good for that because it can do a lot of things and it's like it's very good. So use the blaster, okay, and put it right here. You see, you use the blaster and you put it right here. You see, it stops automatically. Okay, you can put it just right here. You see, there is no more sound. Okay, because when there is a sound, it could be this one or the belt. So when you put the blaster, sometimes put a la blaster. Don't get afraid. Put blaster, okay, and that's it. You put it just on this area, okay, and that's it. So no more sound. So if the sound is come back, that means it's this little boy, this thing, this little boy. You need to change it, okay? Okay, so this is my tip for today. Thank you so much. So as you can see, I'm still driving the car and there is no more sound. Okay.
At the next light, turn right.
Oh, they kill the dog, they kill the cat. So you see, I'm still driving the car. Okay, so there is no more sound. Even if I accelerate, you can see there is no sound. So yep. So buy blaster if you have those kind of the sound. Buy blaster and put it in your in the belt.
At the light,
okay,
turn right onto
put it in the
West
belt
Street.
because sometimes maybe the belt is too wet or something like that. So put it in the belt, and if the next day is up here again, so you have to check then your little boy.
Turn left onto South
Okay,
Pepper
so God bless you and take care of yourself.